10 unique lines on my mother. My mother is the first person I want to see every morning. She has a beautiful smile that makes my whole day bright. She is like a superwoman who can do everything for me. My mother knows exactly what I need, even before I ask. She is my smartest teacher and my best friend at home. Her hugs are the most comfortable place in the whole world. She teaches me to be brave and to always be kind to others. She cheers the loudest for me whenever I do something new. She is the heart of our home and keeps us all very happy. I am the luckiest child to have such a wonderful mother.